everybody. Firstly, I want to ask you to subscribe my channel. I like your subscriptions. I like your comments. Thank you for everyone who subscribed my channel. Today I want to show you how we can split one of the columns to two different columns. As you see, we have table of students. We have ID number, student full name, and discipline, some digits, but it doesn't matter for our example. For our exercise, we need to split B column to the two different columns. In C column, I want to see first name of the student, every student, and in this D column I want to see last name of our students. For this one, I am going to the data, I'm going to the data tools and select text to columns. I need to choose here the default tool, as you see, delimited. After that, I'm going to select next. For delimiters, I must choose the space, because our full name of students, between first name and full name, as you see, we have space, because this is the reason for me to choose in the delimiters space and to continue to the next. After next, I need to choose these two columns to get here results from our B column. After that, I'm going to select the finish, and after finish I'm clicking on OK, and as you see, as a result, I got two different columns. In C column, as you see, we got our student first names, and then in D we have last names of our students. Thank you for the watching. I wish you and I ask you to subscribe my channel, make likes, and keep on studying of Excel. Thank you very much.